IELTS/TOEFL Vocabulary Lesson 8 Sports. Sports facilities. Places and buildings used for sporting activities such as swimming pools and running tracks. There are excellent sports facilities at my university, which is one reason I chose it. To break a record. To do something that is better than anything that has been done before. The crowd in the stadium went wild when Usain Bolt broke the record yet again. Sponsorship. Payment from a company to a sport or other activity in return for publicity. Motor racing is often sponsored by energy drink brands. Pitch. A surface on which a particular sport is played that is marked out with lines. He dribbled the ball to the edge of the pitch. Blow the competition away. Win the competition easily. After training for 7 years, he blew the competition away. Home game. A football match played in the team's own stadium. The team has done much better in its home games than on the road. Do you know the meaning of to set a record? Tell us in the comments below. Quick revision.